You're watching us right here on KTXA, and you know, as you take a look, severe thunderstorm watch. There's a lot active happening for us today tonight in the First Alert Weather Center. The severe thunderstorm watch has been expanded south, so the northern section that we've been showing you through the day today and through the evening until 10. The southern section now until 2 o'clock in the morning. So we thought that was going to expand even more. And as you take a look right now at the First Alert radar, we are pretty active already for this evening. So let's take a look first. As you can see, that new severe thunderstorm watch that does include Dallas County, Tarrant County, pretty much the I-20 corridor and south, in effect until 2 in the morning, and then the northern section until 10 o'clock this evening. So we'll drop that on out. I want to show you that we do have a severe thunderstorm warning continuing right now for parts of Denton County, Colony County, also parts of Grayson County and Cook County. This goes until 8 o'clock this evening. So this line that is holding it together is moving its way to the east at about 35 miles per hour. So with it, possibly winds gusting up to near 60 miles per hour, maybe some quarter-size hail or larger with this severe section of the storms that are moving in. So if you live in Tioga, Pilot Point, Aubrey down to Krugerville, this is making its way from the west to the east at about 35 miles per hour. So there's the potential there of maybe some quarter-size hail or slightly larger in some spots. We'll put a track here for you on that leading edge of the severe storms that are moving their way on through. And it's going to be arriving in Cooper Creek about 7:41, Aubrey 7:41 as well, White Mountain 7:46, Mustang about 7:48. So some gusty winds also. Some flooding rain possible as this section is moving through. You can see just north of Denton, right along 35, Sanger. That's where we have some hail showing up. Our hail detection product right now showing up, maybe hail up to the size of a walnut falling as these storms are moving their way through. Also through parts of Fannin County, we do have a severe thunderstorm warning that remains in effect as that storm is also pushing its way to the east relatively fast. That's until about 8:15. It's moving east about 30 to 35 miles per hour as well. That's been the general forward motion with these storms as they've been making their way into North Texas. We'll track that for you real fast to show you that this is moving its way into Carson about 7:46, Sash that is at 7:51, in Georgia about 2 minutes after 8. Let's widen out the view to show you exactly what's going on, and these storms are kind of filling in a bit more. I want to bring your attention and alert you to the fact that we have an outflow boundary that's developing now through Denton County, moving into Tarrant County, stretching its way back into Parker County. Along that, there is the threat that we could see some more storms developing along that, but still, as that moves through, winds could be gusting up to near 40 to 45 miles per hour. So your First Alert Futurecast shows that we're going to continue to see the showers and the storms widespread by 9, 10 to near midnight, making their way through North Texas and the Metroplex, and then continue to push their way down towards the east into the southeast. Into the morning hours tomorrow morning, you're going to wake up to a cooler day, and the cloud cover is going to be in place, but then is going to break up through the day. The flooding threat is there. We're already seeing more than 2 inches of rain falling through parts of Montague County and Cook County, and there is that flood watch in effect through 4 a.m., mainly our east and northeast counties as we have these storms moving through. So the severe threats there. You can see a slight risk to that, an enhanced risk of severe storms as we go into the evening hours for that flooding threat. The damaging winds may be gusting up to 60 miles per hour and large hail also in the forecast. And look how the rain chances go up to 100% by 1 o'clock in the morning. So how much rain are we talking about? Well, in some spots, maybe 2.5 to near 3 inches of rain. That's why flooding has been a concern, and we are so dry. So we alerted you to this fact a couple of days ago. This alert remains in effect until 5 in the morning for all of the parameters that we talked about, and then Thursday afternoon clearing out. Real fast, just want to let you know, we tied a record high today. October, 96 was our high today. That will not be the story going into tomorrow. We have cold air moving its way in. Wanted to show you Oklahoma City is at 67 right now. Your First Alert 7-day forecast shows we will have temperatures at 80 for tomorrow, 84 on Friday. But Saturday and Sunday morning, temperatures in the 50s, highs only in the 70s. But Doug and Nicole, we tied a record today.
Isn't that crazy? It was hot outside.
It was.
Thank goodness that forecast right there, man. Fall is finally here.